yobia oye enyumtini ewo Ghana wa wo hwemfoni na obehu Jacob se oya branti a oye nuonyafo no ho ofeyie pa Jacob Adjola ejene nkwa efreni nsema we enye wudifo bia na je nkwa nfi ono akasa ne fa hama edi so fine top no tese suicide okun ho ono akasa kun ho na hwehwemu pa tese ansa no ba be wo tro eye krata to ho se eye mmema sabe mo hwa ye bomonimo ono wa ye surgery woni de on ba ko miensa na wutumi wo se eye Jacob hwa no adamaji kakra tese atopan wo tokra mfaso bia frimu banti ase wiase mani je nyina afrinensa asem we dia no odi na tese sa de no very powerful pa ni wiase ni je nyina afrinensa wodi ayeho pa sa lete no na otroto ni ewurawura mu nso a eye ne last phone call wona na yere ni girlfriend edidi nkomo ansa wo wu no na wo pa kire se eye o ka kire ni girlfriend ni se sesi ade wiase na abonanum afekura so ne eye ne girl no wo mu sesi odidi di sofo bi achi a des won fa ne nye hwe na kire se fa comment bra Jacob sesi ano eye broken heart na odi je ne nkwa free na ase sebe ne hwa na sebe wanya sedru ho ni tina waje ne nkwa efre ne nsem ma yentie mu nkyire mu mra.
Good morning. I'm doing this voice note because it has become very important for me to do it. It's going to be short, but I think yesterday was the last time you saw me.
Where the voice note our your man, the girl, matter.
I've done everything. I have poured out my heart at one sound because that's the last time I raised a sound with you unto the Lord. I presented you as an offering unto Him and everything about you. I am not around, and if you find me, it is my body you find. I don't deserve to live. A lot has gone wrong.
Utie, I was say if you find me, it will be my body.
I'm talking to God, and I'm going home. So I know you'll be fine. You'll cry, but you'll be fine. Forgive me. Forgive me. I hope your new friend, I know the man of God, will be a blessing to you. Please.
Tienio, was say I know you'll be fine. Or the man about, and I know your new friend, the man of God. What is he telling you?
No, just also ban new bema for ever. Oh, cheaty.
One of my greatest desires, which I feel that is being there for my family. Please, when you are settled, even before you are settled, if there's any way you can help my family, please do. Eben, Michael, and Michaela, Gifty, Susie, my mom. Please be there for them for me. Please be there for them for me. I have failed. There are a lot of things you hear about me. I know I have failed. There are a lot of things you will hear. I know I have failed. But just bear with me. And just bear with me. Okay? God bless you. And God bless you. God bless you. I came to your home in the morning to give you the stuff you left. But I learned you were not around. I tried calling, but the phone has been off. That is not the basis for an argument because I can't argue with you over anything. But just that I left a letter at the premises under my pillow.
Ote, what's he saying?
I left the letter under my pillow.
I say just that I left a letter at the premises. Who's me catch us a letter we Ojan was sorry.
Yeah.
And I say under my pillow. It will catch your banner say well just ni suicide note you know. I want the pillow I say. I was sorry because medical guy is what two better sorry.
Okay.
You are getting a story.
Yes.
It tells you who found the letter first.
And I say Susie or Banebe.
And yes, Susie Martha
Nebe
Susie and Ninia. Ninia Mudino Bobo and Eben Michaela Michael Susie and a gifty. A no ye Ninia.
Yeah.
But Martha and what the letter man Martha we are so NS. And all catch and say I know the new friend that you found. He's been very diplomatic. It's in a year one was going through psychological trauma, depressive mood.
Yes.
And I said depression. I nipa koso.
You can go pick it up. And God bless you. But the phone has been off. That is not the basis for an argument because I can't argue with you over anything. But just that I left a letter at the premises under my pillow. You can go pick it up. And God bless you. And I'll see you in heaven. I love you so much. Forever. You'll forever be my chupi. I love you.
Dear ni chupi. You forever be my chupi, my love. Gen Z for so the more words. Yes, no.
Also, please tell Aben that he should take Dr. Solomon Karis as his mentor. He should pray more. He should learn the interior design from Accra Technical University. And tell Ano and tell Aben that he should tell Ano to help him with the painting. We'll meet. Okay? I love you. Keep doing ministry. Keep doing ministry. Together forever. You'll forever be my chupi. I love you.
Yeah.
When we nyesho so bia saka o. Obi na frame no say bro la boy no madam for menu no akopɛ. E send on the voice note a wojai asan wo.
Yeah.
Ocha ya me ado na nkwa wo ma. There's a third one ye ne wa. Me boy no so. See, from my own me nhwehwemu kakra me do some
fearing perspective
say I think he had a post-operative depression.
Yeah.
Post-operative depression. Quick one. Ghana hano say yakoye obi surgery on few occasions na your money panoko therapy. On few occasions. Ideally, because at least maximum bare 4 weeks to operation. Or say a daily pan go through therapy. A casa channel operation there be yesterday be a wound ton so. Now we so say assign the same therapy. It nipa be go through surgery. After the surgery, they go through post-operative depression. Now, symptoms of post-operation depression, suicide count. On the meeting, suicide, feeling worthlessness, irritability. A whole lot. You are not yourself. You don't feel yourself. You feel useless.
Yes.
It's you're not sure as a boy, no. Catch us say he has been battling against his what? Mental health.
2022.
And now, who should you catch your banner so to me say, apart from here, no. I am speculative. Every muntia who say on your bema. He was going through the post-operative depression. Yes. Man feeling useless. Man feeling so nyobia. Now I say who say Obano so what down for who to me got so cheating. Was so what down for where you suffer. One chum so cheating. No say who so Obano so what down for Obana tension war. So it was combination of factors that was always weighing on his mind. When you be an kasa. And I can't know your health system no so no and you nina and no man yina ni yetimi ye will be as well for therapy. It's ye deacon castle some why we if I had not listened to the voices, I wouldn't have known say he was struggling. A channel I met was or Bakubi wa Ojani Mianenkra a channel to free sorry CSO because of the obeying tino. Ninya need to mean quite sorry. Ninya Eben looking so done pa. No, so Uncle Tnani Dana ka 1 month in. Or no, as no sending girl no note say, Uncle Chenny answer Uncle interior designing to a Chelsea Ninya Dana Kumas. I feel bet show the Kuni Papa at the same thing, the Kuni Papa. Taffy Wong. Yes. The boy was going through a lot. As no, sorry, any more preaching, no autonomy, a chia cram, menyame, nemu no cra, ebu.
Mess of our comment, Brana, wait a me sure, said Jacob, wait there, a broken heart. Accra.